Hi everyone, welcome to the fifth video of the Algo Trading playlist. In this video, I will show you how to use the magic, and even before I will explain you why to use the magic. So as always, the code is available on my GitHub account, so a link will be provided in the description below. I do this so you can just copy and paste the code and follow with me instead of trying to write what is on the screen. So this video assumes that you already know how to open and close a market order on MT5 using Python. If you don't know how to do so, a link will be also provided in the description below for this. So now let's dive in. This is the code we saw last week to open and close a position. And now we will see how to use the magic. So why to use the magic? Let's take a basic situation. You have two algorithms. So let's call your algorithms bots. So let's say the bot A and the bot B are programmed differently. And in T1, your bot A wants to open a position. So you open in position with bot A in T1. And in T2, you open another position with the bot B. Then in T3, you want to close the position that has been opened by bot B. But if you don't put the magic number, which is kind of an ID, you cannot identify which position has been opened by which bot. So to do so and to close properly the proper position, you will add magic numbers. So here I have already one magic by default. And yeah, I told you last time that I will explain you in another video. So this is the video. And we will say magic underscore A and magic underscore B for bot A and bot B. So you have to put two different numbers. So I put 101 and 102. And then I will open two orders. So I will put this into a function. So def open, for instance. And as an argument, I will put the magic. And instead of global magic, I will put the magic that I've written in the argument. And then here I will remove this. I will just put return. You see, I'm moving quite faster because we already saw this in the last video. And this is also why I want always to provide you the scripts, because yeah, I think it's easier and it takes less time for me to explain if you already have the code under eyes, you know. So now we will call this function to open the position with magic A and magic B. So we will call open magic A and then open and magic B. We will store the return. So what MT5 will give us as a return to know if the position was executed correctly or not in variable open A, for instance, and in variable open B. And then we're going to print open A to know what's going on, and then print open B. Perfect. And we will put a little time dot sleep between both, about 5 seconds. So you know which position is open when. So if I run this code with this, the first position will be open and the second position will be open. So look here, the first position has been open, and then in 3 seconds, the other one will be open also. Yeah, you see here, the other one has been open. So we know that this function works. Now, what you can notice here is that you don't see the magic that you've put. It's a bit hidden. It's hidden, but MT5 knows it. So now we will close these positions. And so now we will ask MT5 which positions are open with a particular symbol. So in our case, EUR GBP. So we will store this in a variable called pos, for instance, for positions. Then we will call MT5 dot position get. And then as an argument of symbol, we have different possibilities. First, we can just put symbol, which is the variable that we wrote here. We can also put symbol as an argument here, for instance, and put sim. Or what we will do is that we will directly here put the symbol we want, so EUR GBP. Voilà, perfect. So now we have all the open positions of with the asset EUR GBP that are stored here. Now the idea is to check if there is position with the magic corresponding to the magic we've placed as an argument here. So what we're going to do is that we will do a for loop. So for p in pause for positions, we will create an if statement. If p.magic is different from the magic we've placed as an argument, we will continue the loop. Continue. Otherwise, we will execute this. So let's indent the close request because it is in the for loop. And so here we will modify what's written inside of this dictionary because it was used for the previous video, but now it's not anymore the case. We will do something more robust. So here, the symbol, we can put the symbol here, but actually this is put in hard, like this is written, this is not related to the P here. So we will do something that more generic with P dot symbol instead of the symbol directly written here. Here, same P dot volume. Here I've put order type cell because I know that the positions are long and not short. So yeah, but in another video I will show you how to do something automatic. So it will detect automatically if it was long or short, and it will close the position whatever side it is. So here I will stay with this because it's for another video. For the price, I will also call p.symbol instead of symbol written in capital letters, which return this. And what we're going to do next, yes, these positions, it's not anymore by result.order, it was for the previous video. Now it is p.ticket. The ticket is the number of the position that has been given to the position from MT5. So MT5 gave basically a ticket to the position, and you just get the ticket back, so you can use it to close the position. The deviation, the comment, and so on are just unchanged. And now, normally, if I do close, and magic b as an argument, it will automatically close the second order, the second position that has been open. So here I will also put 5 seconds of sleep. And so here, just a summary, I will check, yeah, no position, so it's perfect, we can start. And so here, it will open a first position, then it will sleep 5 seconds, open second position, and then it will close the last position 5 seconds after that has been opened. So the second one. Now let's run this. Okay, the first position has been executed. The first order, sorry, has been executed. Second order executed. So it will disappear in 5 seconds. As you can see here, this is a position that has been opened with the magic A, so 101. And there is no, here, there is nothing linked to this magic. We cannot see. And the last thing I want to show you is that even if I delete this and I just do close magic A, or it's the same 101 for the number of the magic, it will close the position. Because once the magic is given to a certain position, it will be given for life till you close it. So yeah, I will just put a little time slip so I have time to go back to the MT5. So if I run this, here you will see it will disappear in a few seconds. Yeah, you see, it disappeared because the code, the magic is given for life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this topic, because soon many other videos will be uploaded on this channel and on this playlist. So now I'm saying you bye bye and thank you for watching.